All right, you guys, we are looking to hit the drag strip tonight. As you can see through the roof glass there, it's been raining a little bit over here, but it looks like it's clearing out. The forecast is calling for clear skies. It should be there's going to be a little bit of wind this evening at the track, and temperatures are looking to be in the 50 degrees. So it's possible we have some traction issues out there. But we're looking forward to seeing you out there. And if you're wondering about the tires in the back, these are some 19-inch wheels. I actually fit all 4 of them in there, but these are 19-inch wheels that I had on the car before I got the track pack. Unfortunately, they no longer fit. I found a buyer locally, and I'm actually transporting the tires to him as we speak. But if all holds up, we'll be at the track this evening, and we'll see you there. Peace. All right, you guys, we are about to load up and head to the drag strip now. Weather conditions, they're relatively the same. We've got a little bit of wind. We got some overcast all over the place. It's unlikely it rains out there, but there's the possibility that it gets rained out or something. So we're about to load up, but before we do, I wanted to show you a couple things. The first one is that the car is so fast that when you drive it at a certified NHRA drag strip, NHRA drag strip, you actually have to be licensed. And so this is a competition license. It's basically for a 9-second quarter-mile street car. So we have to have that. And then a couple other things I want to show you, but those things are inside, so let's go in there real quick. All right, you guys, so I just wanted to show you a couple things. I'm about to load this stuff up in the car, but I just wanted to show you for the sake of context. First thing we have here is a fire jacket. Because of how fast the car is, it is required that you have a fire jacket. This is just camera equipment in this bag. We've got an air compressor so that we can air up the tires after we deflate them. We want to lower tire pressure a little bit so that we can try to maintain as much contact with the road, with the tire, as humanly possible for the sake of grip and temperatures. And then we just have a Snell certified helmet here that is also required. Now we're about to head to the supercharger. Right here on my watch, the middle circle up at the top, that little complication as they like to call it, is the battery percentage of the car. So the car's at 69% right now. Right next to it on the left is outside temperature. So right now it's 51 degrees. And it's likely to get colder once the sun goes down. We'll probably be operating in the low 40s once the sun sets and we're at the track. So we'll keep you posted on outside temperatures while we're out there. But for now, let's go ahead and get the car loaded up and we'll see you guys at the supercharger. All right, we're on the way to the supercharger. We've got a spicy little M4 right here. That thing is super duper nice. Let's get a good look at it. Yeah, boy. That is a nice car. I would drive the shit out of that thing, boy. My goodness. Beautiful.
One lovely update with the new BMW stuff is in the previous M2s, you used to have...
All right, you guys, I just made it to the track. I just took care of payment. I'm filling out the tech inspection card now. It is chilly out there. There's a little bit of a wind breeze. It'll be interesting to see how many cars show up tonight and what kind of races we can get. So as soon as we're tech inspected, we'll peep the scene and we'll let you know what it looks like. All right. All right, you guys, we got out here. We're all set up. It doesn't seem like the lanes are very busy, so we should be able to get a few runs in. So let's go see what we can do. All right, looks like we're gonna do our first run. We're headed out now. Let's see how it goes with the tires. We have to cross over this water a little bit, so let's see how it goes. Looks like we'll be going up against the old school drag car, so this will be fun. He's burning his rubber. We're just gonna get to the line. All right, let's get it into cheetah mode. He's staging. Oh, he's fast. He is fast. Woo! Looks like he got me off the line, but we ended up catching him on the back end. Damn, that was a good race. That was a really good race. That car is fast. Woo! We'll have to look at the ticket and see what the ticket says. Shit, I thought he was gonna get me. That car was fast. He got me off the line. His car was actually faster off the line, so we'll have to look at the numbers. Wow, that was a good race. And we didn't really slip. I thought we were gonna do some slipping. It's 50 degrees right now. But we seem to have held traction pretty good. And dang, that was a good race. What a race. Let's go ahead and get our ticket.
Howdy, howdy.
Hello.
Number
181.
181. There we are.
Thank you. All right, we'll show you this guys in a second. All right, so let's go ahead and look at this, you guys. I'm number 181. The reaction time was really good at 0.12. See, he got me in that 60 foot. He was 1.4, and the 330 was 4.1 and 4.2. So listen, this car was fast off the line. He did a fantastic job. But I got him in the 8th mile. I was a little faster in the 8th mile. And then as you can see, I ran a 9.6 in the quarter. He ran a 10.1. Also, for the record, I need to mention that I'm on 20-inch wheels, the factory arachnids. So I don't, if I run under 9.5, I'd be impressed. I think the fastest time in the car that I've done is a 9.3 on the 19-inch forged Martian wheels. So anyways, for the temperature at 50 degrees and running a 9.6, I'll live with it. But that was
junior dragsters, your 7:30 call. Junior dragsters, your 7:30 call. Got about 10 minutes to get up here in lane 1.
The gentleman in the Honda Civic's not even wearing a helmet, so his car is probably not very fast.
Did about 76 at the half track.
No burnout for him.
15.4 at 60.
Whee! Little slip there. Well, we're cooking. Slow down, baby. I'm always trying to save as much pad as I can. So this is the second exit. There's another exit a little further down, but the first exit's a little further down, but I like to be easy on the brake pads as much as I can be. So let's take a look at that ticket. All right, you guys, the ticket's a little crumpled, but let's get a focus here for you. So in any case, unfortunately in this race, the GoPro had an issue with the SD card. It malfunctioned, so I wasn't able to capture the other car in the run. And if you notice, there's no numbers for that other car because the car broke on the track. And there's, I don't know, oil or coolant everywhere on the track as I record this now. So it's going to be a minute before we can run again. They're trying to clean up the track. My reaction time wasn't as fast, but but the quarter mile we did a tenth of a second faster at 9.5. A little bit slower at 1:48, but those are the numbers. One other thing I just wanted to make mention of really quick, because this is kind of my first time trying to do this, but my second GoPro was having trouble connecting to the app, and then there's an issue with one of the SD cards. So for tonight's event, I'll be using just my phone, which will let me use the front and the rear facing camera, and then the GoPro that's mounted to the car so you can see the car that we're racing against. So anyways, I just wanted to throw that out there, and we'll see you at the next race. All right, you guys, so that Honda Civic that I raced against that broke on the track, apparently it spilled some sort of synthetic oil that is not coming off the track very easily. They're having a hard time getting it off. So they are canceling the right lane for the rest of the night, and it's only gonna be just single runs. So unfortunately, I only got 2 runs in. The first race was amazing. It was an awesome race. The car was incredibly fast off the line. Then the second race, the Civic broke, and it shut down the right lane. So looks like we're only able to get one quality run in for you guys to be able to see. And we'll have to try to come back out next month for you. So unfortunately, this video is going to be kind of short. Don't hate me, it's my first time, and we'll try again, and hopefully we'll just get better with the production as the time goes. But we're gonna call it a night here. I'm gonna go home and hang out with the family, get some rest. We got a long work day tomorrow, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.